rolling, yeah, rolling on the river. Little long way to Memphis. All the things on New Orleans, and I never saw the good side of the city till I hit you right on the road. Big wheels on I said round American bomber, and we rolling, yeah, rolling on the river. Said we were rolling, yeah, rolling on the river, the river. Walking for a man, night and day, and I never lost the feeling of sleeping. Worried about a better place where I've been. Yeah, big wheels keep on turning, round and keep on burning. Rolling, rolling, yeah, rolling on the river. You rolling, rolling, yeah, rolling on the river. The river, you know along the river, yeah. Big wheels keep on turning, round and we keep on burning. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. So you rolling, rolling, yeah, rolling on the river. But I started with a little fast beat. Hiningas in the mirror. We're gonna do a little bit of
Baby, off mo yung camera mo, please.
ginhawa pa.
Pahinga mo na.
Daming tao dito, makikita ka. Off mo yung camera mo.
Naku!
Put your just let me go. I'm on my knees in my bed. I don't wanna lose you. Yeah. I'm begging you to put your love in now, baby. I'm begging you to put your love in now, darling. I need you to understand. Trying so hard to be a man, the kind of man you want to be. Only then can I get to live again. An empty shell I used to be, the shadow of all the lives hanging over me. I'm broken man, I don't know. When even stand together, so in my soul, what it takes, what a bottom, what a base, what a good shit going crazy, what a feel for me to play. You're the wrong way, trying to get one minute picture time, go get me out, like a heart on the reservation. You know you can have it, so baby. Walk the doors, walk the doors, walk the floor, the door is yours. Also, because I don't wanna live in the broken more. I'm begging, yeah. I'm begging you. So put your love in hand now, baby. I'm begging you. So put your love in hand now, darling. I'm fighting hard to hold on. Just can't let it all alone. I'm holding on, I can't hold. I'm just a call about to fade the light. I'm begging you to put your love in hand, baby. I'm begging you to put your love in hand now, darling. I'm begging you to put your love in hand now, baby. I'm begging you to put your love in hand now, darling. I'm begging you to put your love in hand now. I'm begging you to put your love in hand now. I'm begging you, OMG. Hey, I'm begging you to go check out my YouTube channel, In The Mary TV Plug-in. Anyways, my next song is dedicated to all the Pinoys.
gosh. We didn't wait, guys. Alright, let's do this is my new favorite song. Bawal na mag-announce. Anyways, this song is, I can relate to this song. We were good, we were cold, kind of dream that can be so. We were right till we were, build a home and one share. I didn't wanna leave, I didn't wanna lie, started to cry but didn't remember I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, and I can hold my head. Yeah, I can love me better than you can. You love me better. I can love me better, babe. Can love me better. I can love me better. Much the roses that you left. No remorse, no regret. I forgive what you said. I didn't wanna leave, I didn't wanna lie. Started to cry, but didn't remember I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, yeah. Say things you don't understand. Yeah, I can take myself dancing, and I can hold my head. Yeah, I can love me better than you can. You love me better. I can love me better. Can love me better. Can love me better. Can love me better, babe. Can love me better. I didn't wanna leave, I didn't wanna fight. Started to cry, but didn't remember I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, yeah. Say things you don't understand, and I can take myself dancing. Yeah, I can hold my head. Yeah, I can love me better than. Yeah, I can love me better than you can. Love me better. I can love me better, babe. Can love me better. I can love me better, babe. Can love me better. I can love me better, babe. Can love me better. I can love me better. Yes, I can love you. Na-enjoy niyo ba? Oh my God! Let's go! Super lit!
Ang galing niya, promise.
Shot. I'll smile, know what it takes to fool the sound. Do it till the sun goes down. Know who to ride down.
Sa likod, nagre-ready na.
Oh yeah, tell me what you wanna hear.
Libre ba siya? Pasyat ka, kuya? Mamaya.
Yeah, yeah. break down, we won't cry out loud. You'll never see what's hiding now.
Kanina meron.
Way down. Yeah, yeah.
Lahat ito, hindi mo ba?
Like some feeling show. It's the one I'm waiting, make virgin roll. Around to the now. Yeah, yeah.
Tanong mo lang yung ano. VIP ka nun eh. VIP tayo.
Yes, we know.
Oh yeah.
May mga doctor yung one workout sa laking oras na.
Paus na.
Alright guys, are you guys warmed up now for the next few performers?
Yes!
Yes, let's all just chill, take it easy. It's a Saturday night. Later, I'm so excited for the itchy worms. Itchy worms. Bawal gumalaw.
Ulat ng isang ibon, nawa'y lumilipad.
sila.
Ay di masasabi Sasaktan mo lamang
Nahulog pala yung ano.
Ito'y laro lamang Sandong makasalanan
Ulit lagay sa bag mo to. Bag mo to.
On guitar, sino ba gitarista dito? Dati namin to tubig. Natutuyo yung tubig. Wala nang isang ibon Kung tao ay lumilipad Pangarap ang tanging nais Makarating sa kabilang Thank you so much, Eleanor.
My name is Inday Mary and check me out on YouTube, Inday Mary TV. And learn how to eat banana properly. Maraming salamat, Inday Mary. Let's give it up for Inday Mary. Thank you so much.
Ano ba yan?
Alright, so we will do raffles later on in the day siguro. We'll have a few more performers. If there are other people outside that's just hanging around and shopping, the show is already started, so we'd like to request everybody to come inside so that our performers naman will be encouraged and to perform kasi marami ng tao. Mas masarap perform na maraming tao, di ba?
Kailangan ko ng isa pa, guys.
Alright, so we'd like to ask everybody, yung mga libo-libong tao nasa labas, pumasok na kayo, huwag kayong maguna-unahan. Isa-isa lang ang pasok. Alright, so we have another solo performer that's coming in, and he will do a few songs for us. Are you ready to hear more local talent? We have talent from North Texas, so not only from the Dallas Metroplex area, but we also have talent from Killeen,